Well, when I first took over 12 years ago, I remember the first thing Frank said to me was, I'm just going to stick around, until you can transition in. And here we are 12 years later. I guess I haven't transitioned all the way. But he's great. He's like the grandfather of the program. He's been coaching for so many years. I coached with Coach Cleary and with Coach Eck and now with myself. And the kids just love him to death. And he does all the little things behind the scene. He takes the bus, does all the equipment, all the organizational stuff, and he's in charge of the stat girls. So he gives me the ability just to coach and worry about the players and the X's and O's, and he's invaluable to us.
Speaking of X's and O's, to have someone sitting on the bench with so much experience, I'm sure there's nothing he's not seen on a basketball court. How does that feel that you can turn to him if there's something like you're kind of questioning? You can turn and have a guy like that sitting there.
Yeah, I mean, he has so much knowledge, and he's seen everything. So there's not anything that he's not going to be accustomed to. So it's great. He's a great comfort for us.
John, just talk about 75 years old, 50 years in coaching. Talk about what Frank brings to this program.
Ever since I got here, Frank is, it's like Papa Dornikowski, The kids just absolutely love him. His experience is invaluable as well, but it's really about the kids. He gives a nickname to every kid, and they all just love him. And he comes to watch every sport, not just the ones he's coaching. He's been a great influence on a lot of people.
You're a former coach yourself, coached a long time, softball at Mount Olive. Just, can you fathom 50 years of coaching?
No. We were just joking about it. If you coach that long, you'd look like Frank Dornikowski looks. It's been a long time. It's just, I can't imagine doing that. And it just goes to show you what his dedication and loyalty is to the kids. It's all about the kids for him, and he loves it. He just loves it.
Coach Dornikowski has been there from day one with us. I mean, he's there every single morning, every single practice after school. He's got a little hat on, opens the ball rack for us, does everything for us. I mean, he literally is like, you can't go a day without one of Dorno's quotes. And it's great to have him around, and he'll be around for another 20 years or so.
What's it like to have a guy like him on the staff? Obviously, Coach DeGennaro played with him, played for him, and he's been around. To have so much experience there as a young player, do you turn to him for advice?
Dorno actually helped me with my shot a lot lately. I mean, he always tells me on my jump hook to not twist my wrist because I have a tendency to do that. And he's been around forever, as everyone knows, so he's seen everything. And he's an asset to this team no matter what.
Is there any little funny story that reminds you of Coach Dorno?
We were running a play at practice one day, and I don't know what he was doing. He was just walking around talking to one of our players. Next thing you know, we throw the ball, hits him right in the head, and then for a senior gift, we got him a helmet so he didn't get hit in the head anymore.